How to create poll on YouTube. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To create a poll on YouTube, first and foremost tap open your YouTube application. Right over here, make sure you are logged in into your account. Now to create a poll, it is basically simple. At the bottom, you will see a plus sign icon, tap on it. From here, you will find various of options at the bottom. You need to scroll until you see the option of post. So this is the create post option. At the first you will see this graph type of icon that is actually the poll option. You can actually select between text or image poll. If you select on text, you can type in the option right over here. For that, just tap on add option if you need more of the options. Now in this given box, just type in the poll question. Then you can post it in your community. If you don't want to do so and you want to add up an image poll, just tap on image. Here you can also add the image as well as the option. Then you can just post it in the community. So this is all to how to create poll on YouTube. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. So this is all to